What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Money Moves with K. I am K, and today we're going to talk about Zillow homes with at least 1 acre included in the sale price. This would essentially mean that you'll be living debt free in the event that you purchase this property with cash. So we're looking at no debt, no HOA fees. All of these properties do not have any HOA fees, and I really want you to be your own landlord. So no more renting, as I said earlier. Without further ado, let's get started. So the very first property I'm going to go over is in North Carolina, and it's listed at $39,000. Now, mind you, all of these properties will be below $50,000. Okay, so and again, 1 acre of land will be included. So this is in North Carolina. I had somebody in the comments say, why am I not listing the actual cities that these properties are in? And it's the address here, guys. The address is here and the city is before the state. Okay, so you can see it on the screen and kind of go from there. But first, what I like to do is look at the property. All right, so it's $39,000, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. It doesn't say the square footage here, but I will go to the main page in just a second to see the square footage. So let's look at some of these properties, or this property. All right, so first of all, you see that it looks like farmland. So from my estimation, right, it's a smaller home. And by the way, most if not all of these properties will need some work, but I wanted to include all options, right? So this is 1 acre of land. If you want that homestead country feel, then this could be your opportunity. Okay, now let me say this before I continue on. The exterior looks a lot worse than what the interior looks like, right? I've already looked at these pictures, so I saw the exterior and I'm like, oh, it's going to be bad inside, but it wasn't too bad. And that's just subjective. I don't think it was that bad, and I don't truly know the cost. I will have to do my due diligence, which is the point right here where I tell you always do your due diligence and make sure you are purchasing something that fits your budget and also checks all the boxes for your criteria and is not a money pit, pretty much. All right, so you can see, I don't know, this is not popcorn ceiling, but the spiral situation, I've never seen that before. This appears to be a fireplace. I'm not necessarily sure from the angle. This is carpet. Of course, you would have to pull that up. And this would be time that you would devote to fixing this property up, okay? And I love that they have 32 pictures. A lot of times they only have 10, 15 pictures. If you're going to list a home, please put as many pictures as possible. Sometimes realtors are not able to get inside of the home, which I understand. However, they were able to. Guys, from the looks, right? I don't know anything about the structure. I don't know nada, right? But I do know that from the look of it, it doesn't look as bad as prior pictures I've seen of properties. This looks doable to me. This looks doable. And this is okay. Yeah, you would definitely want to make sure the structure, this looks like a beam for the structure. I'm not necessarily sure. Just from the looks of it, load bearing. Yeah, load bearing beam. I think that's what it is. All right. You also have to, I'm gonna see how old this property is. You have to check for asbestos. You have to check for lead, all that good stuff. And it looks like they were about to do some renovations to this property. As I look at it, I see all the carpet is pulled up in here. I see that they attempted to, it's boarded up, but it looks like they just attempted to start the process, and maybe it just cost a little bit too much. Okay, it could have been vacant for a while. Many different factors in this, but again, like I said earlier, these pictures, yeah, this would need work. These pictures don't look half as bad as the properties I've seen in the past. You also probably need to check for termite damage. I'm not necessarily sure. This does look like wood, so it's in rough condition, but taking the wood off, replacing it maybe with a vinyl, or the sky is the limit with what you choose to do, could be an option for you. Okay, for $39,000, 1 acre of land, it looks very serene, it looks very peaceful. This would be a great opportunity for a lot of folks to create a homestead. Also, I want to put it in perspective. How much is an acre? An acre is a bit shy of a football field. So as you can see, bird's eye view, you kind of see the lay of the land literally here and see how it's set up. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, I love the pictures. It just gives me options so I can see, and it has this home, I don't see any properties to the left or the right. It could be close by, but if you really want to be secluded, I think this may be a good option for you. Okay, let me go back to the listing so I can see a little bit more information about it. As you can see here, it lists the dashes, meaning no HOA. They have to list the HOA fees here. We sold a property last year, and they ask, right, in the selling process, does this home have HOA fees or an HOA? And you have to be transparent and tell the potential buyer, right? All right, so investor special, the perfect winter project located 1 acre wide, quiet. Home needs remodeling completed and exterior repairs, appears to be structurally sound. That's good. Appears to be. Of course, you would want to do your due diligence for that, and provides a great starting point to begin improvements. Cash only sales sold as is. Okay, cool. And don't be afraid of this term sold as is. A lot of times if you see sold as is, you're like, this is a bad deal, but not necessarily, right? So it's been out 41 days on Zillow. Once again, the address is here. If you're interested in this property, it's $39,000. I just don't think that's a bad deal. But of course, you need to know the repair costs for this project, especially if you intend to live here. This would be just maybe potentially a good investment property. Speaking of investment properties, if you don't intend to live here, you will want to look at the rental rate. If you're planning on renting out, look at the rental rate nearby to see if it's a good purchase there. But this video, I'm really trying to intended for those who will be owner occupants. They are living in this property and not necessarily the investor. All right, so $39,000, not too shabby. Let's keep it going. And by the way, let me discuss this here. I do have my tax auction course. It is on sale right now for 3 days. Once it goes out, it goes out. So make sure you check it out. I'll pin the link in the comments, and I'll also place it in the description. It goes over properties not listed on Zillow. So if you're interested in buying land for $500 or a home for $1,000, my whole channel is about that. So if you're new to this channel, please check the channel out and past videos. However, the tax auction course, once again, is on sale for 3 days. Make sure you check it out. End of that. All right. So back to this here. This is in Ohio. So Jefferson, Ohio. So this is the home. It is 2-bedroom, 1 bath, no HOA fees. And as you can see here, this is on a 1.93 acre lot. So it's almost 2 acres. Fantastic. Okay. So this home, let's click here to enlarge it and see everything. This is 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Okay. All right. So it has a fence, probably just depends on the shape of the fence. It may need to be repaired. What is this back here? This looks like maybe a fire pit. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, not too many pictures. I really love the pictures, but I mean, we get what we get, right? So $39,000. It's in Jefferson, Ohio. And opportunity waste, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, sitting on 2 acres, just minutes outside of Jefferson. This property is ready for someone with vision to bring it back to life. Located on a paved road with easy access. Okay, whether you're looking for next fix and flip. Okay, it goes on and on. I'm not going to read the entire thing, but it does go on to give even more details. Let me show you something else. If you go below here, and just to verify that it doesn't have an HOA fee, it says community and HOA under the features tab. Let me go back up. Facts and features. It will tell you if it has an HOA fee, and if so, how much money that would be. And this one says, has HOA? Says no. So we're clear there, okay? All right, so this is $39,000 as well. 2-bedroom, 1 bath. I want to keep it going because I have 2 more properties to show you under $50,000, and it will allow you to really live debt-free, guys. I really want to push living debt-free and being at peace, right, with your finances. Right now, if no other time, right now is the time to lock in and focus, buckle down on your finances, and make the right move. This may not be a permanent move for you. You may live in New York, as this property is, right? And you want to move somewhere else, to Ohio, wherever, for a couple years, right? That could be the play for you. Move there for a couple of years, live there. It's your primary residence, and then later on, you might want to rent it out or resell it. The options are endless, and when you purchase it with cash and you resell it later, that means that's 100% profit, except for realtor fees and other fees here and there. But if you're purchasing them with cash, that's always better than having a mortgage on it and then having to pay the mortgage company their share. Okay, so I'm really pushing freedom. All right. This next property is in Springwater, New York. Okay, so this is the address in the event that you are interested. It's $39,900. So again, these properties are under 50K, but so far they have been under 40K. All right. So it's 2 bedroom, 1 bath. It's 1.28 acres. So I did a video in the past about how to find mobile homes that are not located in a mobile home park, and they just have land attached to it. So this is one of the examples that I'm pulling up to show you that, yes, they still exist, okay? Even in New York, okay? I have no clue where Springwater, New York is. If you are from Springwater, New York, or you know about Springwater, New York, comment below. Let me know. All right, so it says private wooded lot has town, water, and sewer. Home needs to be rehab. Perfect platform to place your new home or make it a nice family camp. I'm not sure what family camp necessarily means. I mean, I can infer, I can surmise, but the word family camp just sounds a little odd to me for the wording, but it's okay. All right, so this is, and if you hear something outside, guys, on the background of my video, somebody's outside of my house doing some work. So I wanted to still bring you this information. All right, so this is a mobile home, $39,000. It don't got no windows. Let me see. No windows. Okay. Windows are for a mobile home. They shouldn't be too pricey. Okay. And yeah, this one almost seems mountainous. I would have to look at the topography or the GIS to see where it's located, but it seems like it's on a mountain. I'm not sure. If you look at the land, it just seems like this is 1.28 acres. Okay, it's not too bad. The point is it comes with its own acreage, right? And you would not have to be paying what? Lot fees. So that is always a good sign. And that's an indicator to me of freedom, peace, not having to worry about owing anybody anything. Okay. So, and again, it does not have an HOA fee, as I said earlier. Okay. So that is in New York. Let's go to the very last property that I wanted to discuss with you guys. It is back in Ohio. So Ohio, I've mentioned twice in this video, and that's okay. So this property is $49,000. Now, this property has 5 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's 2,916 square feet, and it has 2.76 acres. That's awesome. 2.76 acres. All right, so let's check out what's going on here, look at the pictures, and get a better idea of what we're up against in the event that you were interested, okay? All right, so, all right, this looks like water damage. But again, I'm pointing out things that might be obvious, right? When we're talking about these properties, as I mentioned it earlier in the video, they will need some work. So keep that in mind. I'm just mentioning what I see. But this is a nicer house from the looks of it, right? Than my past videos of properties I found that were a little bit cheaper than this. So as you go up in price, you should expect a little bit better condition than those lower ones. Not always the case, but a lot of times that could be the case. All right, so let me see. That's the kitchen. Let me go back 1 second. All right. This is a huge house for a bigger family, right? So if you have a big family, you say, I just want freedom. I want the opportunity to ownership. You will have to take into consideration repair costs. This is not for the faint of heart. We've done tons of repairs on our properties, and it can get very pricey. But in the event that the structure is good here, the bones are good, you have time, you have an additional amount saved to make these repairs. Like the flooring looks decent. I don't know if that's original. I doubt it because it changes. It just looks a lot better than the properties I've seen in the past with I think it said 2.96 acres. So far, so good what we're looking at. Okay, definitely work here. Okay, definitely work. But of course, we know that, right? And I love, again, thank you, Realtor, for having so many pictures. It's easier for the buyer to kind of check it out and see what's going on from here. They have a lot of roof issues I see here. Okay, this looks like maybe a basement. Okay. This is in Ohio. Okay, it appears to be on the hill, so keep that in mind. So, is all of the acreage usable? It might be 100 acres, but if you can only use 1 acre, that may be something that you do not want. Maybe, something you're not interested in. So keep in mind, you want to look for properties that have usable acreage, okay? And this may not fall in that category, or it may. Okay, this looks a little bit more flat. Kids can run around, have some fun. It gives you the layout, which is awesome. Okay. And that, topography. It shows you, let me see. Wish I had another picture here. Oh, here we go. This is very helpful. The realtor on this one did a great job with the listing, give you all the information up front so the elevation, the slope, all of that. Okay. The yellow. All right. I'm not going to go over the topography. I actually did a video in the past where I listed how in the world do you see if a property is sloped and all that. So make sure you check it out. I try to list it in the description. However, let's look at the description really quickly here. It says investor special handy homeowner opportunity just outside of Malta. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home offers plenty of space for potential for those ready to take on the project. Goes on and on. Oh, okay. Oh, it says, wait. It includes, while the walkout basement includes a family room, bedroom, and bath, making it ideal for a possible separate apartment or in-law suite. Upper level. Fantastic. Yeah. $49,000. Something that you may be able to work with. Okay. And again, let's go below just to verify that it does not have an HOA. Let me go back up. You also want to look at property taxes in these areas as well and ensure that the property taxes are not as high, because I get a lot of comments on my channel saying, well, you don't own anything because the property taxes are still there. And yeah, make sure the property taxes are not astronomical so that you can still attain and maintain the home even after you purchase it, okay? I didn't look at the HOA. Give me a second. HOA, no. Does not have an HOA, so it just confirms the point of this video. Thank you so very much for making it this far in the video. I truly do appreciate it. If you made it this far in the video, down below, make sure you first of all check out my tax option course. It is on sale, 3 days. And also down below, comment I made it. It allows me to know you made it this far in the video, and I truly do appreciate it. Until next time, guys, you stay blessed. Peace.